They never had a pretty girl from Joburg. See me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel, cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around.
Put your picture on my mirror. Start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach, there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Try to stand, but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. The reason why you're always on my mind. All I can say is I see you, I see you. Baby, we're mine. You might walk by, so I gotta be right. I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. Put myself in the zone, I get nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? I lay my head on my pillow.
It's a quick date to get to Nakasana with my family. Reunited again.
You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby, I just wanna know, baby, when something now is taking over me. Yeah. I'm not gonna run now, just gonna stand here and see.
Mulele guys, Bolweni, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, igama lami ndingu-Anathi Mqoqi, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. Bandase inoise leni ivayo ngu-washing machine, so ndibhizi nempahla. Guys, today is Monday. I last vlog on Saturday. Ndithathe nje just iclip nyana encinci ngokube siyobona okay, ngobe nsiye the Korea guy late earlier on Saturday, and then later on Saturday we went to Ehrenberg kwa besiyobona my sister-in-law lo umdala bebe visitele phayana, so besiye khona. And now I'm thinking bana hayibo sana I haven't picked up my phone in the vlog, and pofke there was nothing in this vlog. Even goku I'm just here nje to open this vlog because khange ndiyivule. Guys, namhlanje Monday, please don't mind this, but I think ndigodole la washing mendiyenza ezilalini. I think ndigodole, so ngoku ndine cold sores apha ezimpumlweni. Guys, ndithi today is Monday, tomorrow indodakazi yam nomyeni wakhe plus nomtshana wethu bayeza, but ke bazolalela ngapha kuba ke befuna bana sibakhaphe e-airport Wednesday morning, iflight yabo iphuma ekuseni. So bazolalela ngapha. Now I'm trying to clean around the house. I'm not sure if I'll be able to go to a mall when my husband is back. I'm not sure, but yeah, I think komele siye because okondibuyile guys, ndahamba one thing is ndingenzanga groceries, and ngoku ke I need izinto zopheka. Ewe yena shebo umyeni wami uzamile, but ke zisashota wethu izinto. Ukupheka kwami nokupheka kwakhe kuzufana, so izinto esizisebenzisayo azifani. So I think xa ebuya ndizamcela ubana siye e-mall so that I can do i-grocery top up, ndithenge nje ezo zinto nezo zinto, so that ndizokwazi ngomso upheka. Andiyazi uba ndizopheka ntoni, but ke ngomso kumele ndipheke because zobe sine-visitors. So yeah guys, bendithi mandini-update ngaloo nto leyo. Ngoku ndibuyostoka, ndigula njalo because ndine-flu. Ndibuyostoka guys ngoku. Ndifuna ekoneni, I'm hungry. Ndifuna ekoneni, akho songa apha. So ndifuna uyozithengela ikota yotya, and then when I'm back ndizawuthatha i-content for ezinto ndizithengisayo for uTikTok and Facebook. So yaba bendithi mandize ndinibolise and open this vlog. Next yayo ke okanye into izawuthini, I don't know. Ndizobona as ba ndivlogger ba into yayo izothini. Today is Tuesday. I just dropped off umyeni wami emsebenzini. So now I am off to Eland. Ndiyanoba niyanibona, ndisafake ibhegi. I am rushing ke sana, ndiya emall ndiyoxesha nje izinto ezincinci. Ixesha liyanditya, ndiselapha eyadini kodwa ngoku bathi ndiyaphuma. So yho, ndisitheni umasi babe ndiyifake xa ndiphuma, yazi le lantika le yujona ndifake kodwa ndiya emva. Ya man, bingangena. So lantuka nzobuya ngoku ne, ungabe uyivala igate. Okanye ke ungayiyeka kuba nikhona. Masambeni guys, siyeni emall. Izandilibazisa into yoba ndivloge apha endleleni because ixesha andinalo. Ixesha alikho. Grocery haul kodwa andizothetha because izawubambi.
Make you know say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when you do, I try to do to my way. to survive with the face. Just to make your money day. From the people that go say I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want women, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to learn. You tell me, what's it go? You want go? All the men, they can ride the boat, I don't feel die for nothing. What's it go? You want go? All the men, they can ride the boat, I don't feel. Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling, flow like the ocean, port I'm paddling. Shara Shinabella, that's my bro, my family, frozen dreams. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Because I tell you straight, you are not my date. If you become a shit, I'll be here to stay. From the people then go say I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want baby, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it come? You are go. Die for nothing. What's it come? You are gone. All you men, they got it. Ride it with it. I know. Now.
Home, I bought myself a Leyland book this apron, Italian chef, this time. And then Lena you diffuser refilled. And then that time I'm gonna let diffuser for your bathroom because we've got a corner. And then you can get this because this is sailing. And that's it, my love, and that's all. I will see you later on. Mwah.
Alex, take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath, take it down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair, where's me out of fear? You find me ugly and one day you disappear, cause I was crying, it was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough?
yeah. This one I better do it, yeah. Me, I no get time, da. Dada cover my face, calling me da. Big man, wait, da. What's it coming? G-Wagon, all depends. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. What's it coming? G-Wagon, all depends. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it.
I am picking my husband at work. Ndiyachinja ne ngemini eyi-1, still wearing the same clothes, but apha entloko ekuseni bendifaka umnqwazi pink, ndabuya ndafaka lowa beige nude. Ngoku ndizithe weave. Ngondifaka le weave ke guys. Yeah? Ipha ebathroom kulaa ndawo nento yothambisa, vula kulaa nto ipha. Awundiva? Benzathi nakhona guys, ndithi le radio ke le shishizayo, ndithi ndifuna ukuba muhle noba ususanga kinyaka huba muhle viwe suyivala igate esihle lokhu umnyango igate asuzuyivala ngena ke kinyaka huba muhle because ndiyavlog kinyaka huba muhle because I am going to my husband's workplace. Noko kungathiwa yo ekuseni wayeselamanzi wami uthi wakhonqweza kodwa usuke endlini and bensele energy drink kaloku mna ndizonxana uzondijongela ke ngapha
ndizakukhelela
uzondikhelela ndithi uzondijongela kweli cala bakho moto ezayo na ayikho ne ndithi so andifuni kuthiwe yo ekuseni ebenxibe ebethwele lo mnqwazi kanti udabe eklinini. Hayi but ke it's not like abaqhela ngombona xa ndiziravazile nani niyandazi xa ndiziravazile uba ndiba njani. Nazi traffic yeah wena sana nxa stop sign is stop sign ndicheke mntu wami banixesha viwo
ndishiye ifowuni ngaloo mna ndisesithi
bethe ndiphume ngofona hafungu uthi lani ngalayishi kulayishe thina ndiqale ndotambisa ndiqale ndotambisa uba yindawoni wakhe
Anything I do, I try to take my plenty, so far just to make sure. But my people then go say I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want chop life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Let me tell you, what's it called? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, they get them, ride the whip, I know people. Die for nothing. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all depends. They get it, ride the whip. I know we different things that happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. You like the ocean, my boat, I'm paddling. Cherishing a fella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen trades. When it comes to money, I they concentrate. Like I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become, you should not be head of state. But my people then go say I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, enjoy. I want your life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all depends. The girl them ride the whip. I know it, die for nothing. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all depends. The girl them ride the whip. I know it, die for nothing.
Morning guys, morning. Hi, when I say today is Wednesday. I last vlogged last week. I don't know when. Guys, when did you that's why I've been namne. Wait ne. That's why I'm vlog Sunday. Footage I'm being because being a vlogger anymore. I had to ban a break. So yeah guys, today is Wednesday. Dinje guys. I plan kukuya mall, but now I'm no longer going to the mall. Ndifuna upheka quickly and pack orders zabantu. Saturday now again and Dragon City. Saturday I went to a Dragon City guys and I met Unamhla, I think it's Namhla HM Sana one Kwaza, and I was so excited in Bulisa. I was such ba kudala in Kwaza then imvalo mntu ngathi yankwaza but kubone manje xa uphakathi kwabanqone ayi mhlamba amagama ayafana. Une YouTube channel yakhe ke guys nayo ungunamhla HM. So yeah guys, ndizawupheka ngoku ndanigqibelanini bantase ndanigqibelanini. I hope mhlambe kukhona into ephathekayo endibuyeleyo, but I'm just here to tell you why besingena vlog this Sunday. Thank you guys for 3,000 subscribers. Thank you guys kakhulu. And Sana, my Eastern Cape vlog is doing so well. Currently we are sitting on 14k views up way too, but yeah, welcome guys to my new subscribers. Ndiyanithanda kakhulu. Nani my returning, my day ones. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Masilandukeni guys, must pick in, but I don't think ngizawupheka nani. Maybe I will dish up with you. I'm not sure. Ben city mandivele and just say hi. Asimdaki spili sam guys, benifuna ukunibonisa OOTD. This is my OOTD guys. The ita parafini is on because kuyabanda and umntana makekho right to that, but yeah. Utata usemsebenzini. Senditshintshe nezihlangu guys. Hi guys, molweni. Today is Friday. I know the last time I vlogged bendisithi ndizawupheka onzodishapha nani. Hi baby. Guys, sana abantwana bam abayanga esikolweni. I think this week baye only Monday. Cha. Strawberries azikho nje. Oh, hayi mntanam zi-blueberries as in. Ndithi abantwana bam kuba beye Monday esikolweni and today is Friday. Ndiyagoba guys. Oh, babeye Monday, Tuesday abaya, I think baya Wednesday, I'm not sure, but not baya once this week. And the sana, I feel it. I am feeling it. And today ndi alone nanzenye into yenziwa mandiyifile guys, ndi alone ndim nabo nje qha. But yeah guys, ndifuna ukwenza istudio ngoku. I was saying You last saw me ngokundandifaka i-apron and city I'm about to cook. Maybe I'll cook with you or I'll dish up with you because kudala ndipheka nani. But sana electricity gone. Wemka guys umbane wabiye ngo-10 ebusuku and I was like soze ndipheke ngo-10 ebusuku. Sure ayahluma. Ndithi ndabele ndisizixelela uba andizupheka kwasebusuku. So yeah guys, today is Friday. Ndilapha endlini kusekuseni. The time now I think is something to 8. I'm about to make a porridge for abantwana bam, so ndifuna siyenzeni together. Yeah guys, ndizocleana apha endlini kunjani. Hi guys, Mulweni. Today is Saturday morning, and I just woke up. I want to pack orders and then maybe later on I'll go and courier them. Yeah. Yesterday, last night I went to install my hair, and I also did my lashes as well. Actually, but I couldn't vlog it because we said and the lighting was so bad. But yeah, man.